to do some cute shit, but Penny already fucking ruined it. So today's video is going to be a room tour. So many of you guys keep asking me to do a room tour. I'm not sure why you guys want to see my room. I feel like I don't have the most decorated, amazing room, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got just because honestly, my room is about to take a whole 360. My room is very 20-year-old YouTuber, hee hee hee. But then, my new room in my new home that I'm moving into in a couple days is gonna be a grown bitch room. We're not gonna have little posters on the wall, we're gonna have artwork! Mona Lisa, Picasso! So we're gonna have a whole nother vibe. So we're gonna start at my door by shutting it. Bye, Penny. Oh my gosh, look at my hair coming through my weave. Is that my hair or is that my, oh, it's my weave. I was about to say, bitch, the ghetto! So we're gonna start. Somebody keeps throwing rocks at my house, by the way, so if you hear it, sorry, I have haters. So this is my door, and this is where I keep my bags. Damn, Vanessa, okay! I'm just kidding. This is where I keep the bags that I use the most. All my other purses are in my closet. I'm gonna give you guys a flash of my closet. It's bad. Since I started this whole moving process, I've just been like throwing shit all over the place. I've been trying to like determine, am I gonna keep this? Am I gonna throw this away? So everything is a mess. I'll show you guys a little bit of my closet just because it's gonna be a huge transformation. So these are my favorite bags. A lot of people ask me where I got them from actually. And I got these from Nana Nana. That's literally what it's called, Nana Nana. And my backpacks are usually, I get them from like Target or whatever. So very inexpensive. This is some artwork that I got from this like furniture store called At Home. And I got these like little shelf thingies there too, I think. Are you gonna shut up? I love my animals so much, but Penny is actually low-key so annoying. So I'm a huge Harry Potter fan, so if you notice, like, I have like Harry Potter memorabilia around my house and it's so fucking cheesy. Like, I'm such a fucking fan. Like, I'm like a fucking nerd for it. I actually signed up for like a Harry Potter subscription box like a couple months ago, and that's where I got all the stuff from. I didn't like go searching for it. As you can see, I have some stuff there. I got that in Miami, like literally. This was the first time I ever shot like a sniper rifle. So I shot this and I almost got the bullseye. So I was just like really proud of myself. You can see I have a fucking photo of the Weasley family, like unnecessary. So then when you move up here, I have some books. These are some of my favorite reads. So some cheesy ass decorations. I honestly, I feel like this is the room of a 15 or 16-year-old girl. So I am ready to like step away from these little paintings. Life is lit, you know. Right here is the teddy bear that so many people told me to stop filming in front of. You guys, it's literally a teddy bear, but so many people were like, Vanessa, that bear is actually so scary. Please never show it in a video again. I really don't see what's so scary about a plush animal, but okay. So moving on to over here, as you can see, I have a purple light. The reason I have it on, it's like clearly bright as day outside. It's literally 11 in the morning. The reason I have it on is because I wanted to like show you guys. I got like these lamps, like both of these lamps are from IKEA, but I got the actual light bulbs from Amazon for $4 and it came with 2 of them. So they have like unlimited colors on there. So this is what my little desk looks like. Another fucking Harry Potter thingy. I have witch hazel. I spray my face every night with that. This is my little souvenir that I got in Paris. I have a candle over here. As you can see, I have a slut clip. I have this and then this little like, so when I drink tea in my room, so I don't like mess anything up or spill it. I'm moving on to my bed with Miss Fatty Waddy over here. As you can see, it's literally just a bed. I got my bed frame from some random furniture store here in Arizona, nothing special. I'm actually throwing this bed away just because it's broken, like you guys. Don't ask how it broke. But these are all my pillows and stuff, very regular schmegular. My favorite pillow though, let me show you guys. They're actually so freaking cute. They're like little like eyelashes. The reason I don't show them is because one of them like got a pink sock in the dryer with it, or with the washer. This blanket I got from a furniture store as well. That's just a random 2 pillows that just fell off my bed. And I'm too lazy to pick them up. So now we're at my second table thing. So as you can see, I just have a pink light. It's exactly the same as the other one. The other one's purple, this one's pink, but it's the same lights. These are from IKEA, by the way. I have my ASMR mic that I've only used once. You guys, I finally bought another cord for it, so expect more ASMR videos, because I'm sorry, those are so funny to me. Like, I will try to be serious one day, but not anytime soon. So this is my MacBook and this is my external keyboard because I spilt water all over my MacBook and I completely destroyed my keyboard. And I cannot go a week without my MacBook, so I'm doing this until I move. And then I will go and drop off my laptop and get it back so they can fix it. This is Monica. I've actually had Monica since I moved into my first apartment and she just somehow keeps ending up everywhere I go. I'm not gonna open these cabinets because you guys don't need to see the drugs I have in there. Just kidding. see, I have a very, very glamorous fur jacket. I live in Arizona. Why the f do I own this? But I got this at like a random swap meet for like 40 bucks and I was not gonna let it go. I'm waiting until it starts snowing. It's not gonna snow where I live, but if I drive like an hour out, there's gonna be snow and I will guarantee you are gonna see me in this coat in photos. So going back to my bootleg wall art that says, she believed she could, so she did. Basically, you know, motivating stuff because I'm just a mess. I'm not sure what that says because I think that's like French or something. This little light I got from Amazon. It worked for maybe like 5 months and then it just completely like busted. Down there I have some extra batteries because I like to play video games and my controller dies every single day. So moving back over here, I have another cheesy ass painting that says, in order to be irreplaceable, one must be different. And that's actually very true. Over here I have some of my like stuff. Over here I just have like my everyday stuff. I'm wearing most of my chains right now. I don't know if you guys could tell. Whenever I wear chains, I literally wear like, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got like 5 or 6 chains on. So I don't like buy them very often. I just like to wear like one collection at a time. This is where I hang them up or whatever. This is like my gold chains and then I put like my silver ones here. I just wasn't feeling like a snake today, so I didn't put her on. And then I have like my little like chokers, another little choker, and some bracelets and stuff. I'm not really a jewelry person. I own like 2 or 3 pairs of earrings in total. I literally just like to like put my chains on. Honestly, I sleep in my chains. I literally sleep in these, you guys. Like I'll shower in my chains, I'll wake up in my chains, anything in my chains. So I don't really buy it. So right here, as you can see, I have my Xbox. I have my 2 controllers because usually I have like one of my friends playing with me or something, you know? So yeah, I have my Xbox. I have water here. This is probably a really bad like safety hazard. If this falls over, the house goes in flames. That might not be a bad thing though. Coming down here, I don't really have real decor down here. Honestly, this is just like stuff that ended up there somehow. I have a random candle. I have a face mask. I'm not sure why that's there. I have this Q&A book, so it's called Q&A a day. It has 365 questions, but it has 5 slots. For 5 years, you have to like fill it out, basically. I've probably only filled out like half of the questions, but I like to go back once in a while whenever I'm bored or I walk past the book and I see it. Then right here, it says, oh dear, but I changed it to oh shit. If I ever catch any of you with this fucking book, this goes to my family, to my friends. I will kill you. This book holds secrets. Passwords. This is my oh shit book. So I like to just kind of like doodle in here. I like to talk shit in here. So if you ever want to expose me, rob me, steal this book. I have an extra battery pack because honestly I've been like traveling pretty much every month, so I'd like to like have that there, I guess. I have my iPad that, as you can see, is collecting a lot of dust. I had this iPad since like 2015 and it hasn't been used since 2015. So if anybody wants a free iPad, iPad giveaway! This thing used to have a flower that's supposed to last like 5 years. The shit fell off. So now it's just kind of there and it has a random keychain in it. Down here I have my router because you know a bitch needs Wi-Fi. Down there it's empty because everything that was in there is already packed away. But basically what I keep in there is like boxes that have like PR packages or like sponsored content, stuff like that. Like if a company sends me like a spin brush or something, like I'll just like throw it in there and get back to it. But everything is basically in here now, as you can see. Everything that was in there, this is just a random bodysuit that I through. There's some like PR stuff that the boxes are too big, so I'm not gonna like try to squeeze it into anything. I'm gonna go turn my fan off, but you already know why it was on. So as you can see, my bathroom is attached to my bedroom. You just walk through here. This is what my bathroom looks like. Hey girly. So I have these brown cabinets, I guess. I get lazy when I'm in here, so I sit down on that stool. So this is just another one of my little like decorations or whatever from Paris. That had a candle in it, but that's done now. This is just my everyday products, I guess. Here's my straightener, which I should probably unplug because I'm not trying to set the house on fire. But yeah, here's just like, I guess, a quick little like look at like my everyday shit. Well, not everyday, but like you can see what I use, I guess. Then over here we have my shower. It's nothing special. It's literally just a shower, my bathrobes, and my toilet, but I don't want to go in there. I have this like random painting that I got for like 20 bucks. Random trash can. Sometimes I like to sleep in there. But yeah, overall, this is pretty much my bedroom. I'm gonna give you guys like a quick little view of my closet. I don't think I want to, actually. This is actually so bad. Okay, so keep in mind, I have like a dresser, a 6-drawer dresser. You guys, I have a clothing problem. when I say like, oh, I don't have any clothes, I have nothing to wear, I'm that bitch, okay? I'm always complaining about, I don't know what to wear, I have nothing, like, I don't know. And Zach always will come in my room and he's like, shut the fuck up. And I'm not saying this in like a bragging way, I'm a hoarder. I have clothes from 8th grade. So I literally filled all of these cabinets up with clothes, right? And then we go in here. Every single closet in this house, this is a 3-bedroom home, and every closet has my shit in it. Because I actually have a problem. Like, a lot of this has already been put in boxes, but it's like, it used to be so organized and so nice, and everything just fell apart. I don't even want to show you the floor. I don't want people to be like, damn, that bitch is messy. But literally, it's so bad, it's so bad, so we're not going in there. So weird though, because like growing up, I would always hang my clothes. I always had everything put where it was supposed to be. And then when I moved to LA, I would still, you know, organize everything. It had to be where it had to be. But then when I moved here, I don't know what happened. But I know for a fact when I move again, I'm gonna make sure that everything's like organized and clean, because I don't want it to get like that again. Because honestly, I will clean my closet every 2 months, make it look really nice and polished, and after like a couple days, it's fucked. I don't even try anymore. So yeah, this is my bedroom. There's my lazy dog that does nothing all day but eat. Oh, here's a little baggie that has wrappers in it. I have an addiction to Smucker's peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, so I ate like 5 of them yesterday. Honestly, if it wasn't for all the skincare products I use, I would have the worst fucking skin right now because I eat so bad. I didn't even show you guys this. I don't really know why I decided to put it right here, but I went indoor skydiving because I want to go actual skydiving one day, so I'm pretty proud of that. I was doing flips, tricks. Exist to be happy, not to impress. And that shit is actually deep. Because a lot of people live their lives to impress others and to seem better than others and to seem like their life is a lot happier, when in reality, a lot of those people are fucking depressed. Now that this video is done, I'm taking everything off the walls and it is all going in boxes. Follow me on Instagram at simplynessa15 and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye! Whatever puts my heart at ease.